song in old Oklahoma. Two hearts were beating in tune. Love faded away with me, darling, and left me here all alone. Left me to find for my darling, and once was my own. Moon sailing on high, please shine down with your light. Moon shining on high, where is my darling tonight? Go send her my love, tell her I'm pining away, waiting in old Oklahoma, and hoping she'll come back someday. Moon sailing on high, please shine down with your light. Moon shining on high, where is my darling tonight? Go send her my love, tell her I'm finding away, waiting in old Oklahoma, and hoping she'll come back someday. Waiting in old Oklahoma, and hoping she'll come back someday. Tell me please, Mr. Love, will I find him tomorrow? Do your best, Mr. Love, I'll be waiting till then. Don't you know, Mr. Love, I can take all this sorrow. So if you have the time, would you mind once again? Please, 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 Mr. Love, where is the boy that I'm dreaming of? Please, 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 Mr. Love, bring him back home to me. Yesterday was so fine, with him walking beside me, and he said he'll be mine till the day we both die. But he left me last night, with my heart broken softly. kisses the roses around my windowsill. And my heart fills with gladness when I hear the trill of the birds on the treetops on Mockingbird Hill. La la la, diddly, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird trill. La la la, diddly, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on a mockingbird hill. When it's late in the evening, I climb up the hill and survey all my kingdom while everything's still. Only me in the sky and an old willful wheel, singing song in the twilight on Mockingbird Hill. La la la, diddly, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. La la la, diddly, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on a mockingbird hill. La la la, diddly, it gives me a thrill to wake up in the morning to the mockingbird's trill. La la la, diddly, there's peace and goodwill. You're welcome as the flowers on a mockingbird's hill. When I was just a little girl, I asked my mother, what will I be? Will I be pretty? Will I be rich? Here's what she said to me. Yes, said I, whatever will be, will be. Future's not ours to see. Será, será. What will be, will be. When I was young, I fell in love. I asked my sweetheart what lies ahead.